Alright guys, you're welcome to us, the Global Cosmetic and Skincare. If today is your first time coming here, I say a very big welcome to you. On this video you can see I'm about doing a very nice and simple face cream for all of you because it really takes a mind, a big mind to put up his or our own recipe on set for everybody to see. So I don't mind. I really want to do this for you. And today we want to do a very simple face cream that you can use all time and you can use it perfectly. You know, this face cream is a unique one. I think I've been doing oil lately, and also I've done a lot of face cream also for you. Please don't forget subscribe. Go to our Instagram also and follow us at Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. So a quick one, let's dive into this. Okay, this is our base, and I must have put some other additives here also when I did show to you. Very sorry about that. But the things I put in here, I want to tell you, I've already put. This is just a base cream, and also I've put my holy, which is whitener oil, because it's just a new formula. So I find out that sometimes it's not putting all these additives in the end part. We can put them at the beginning. You know, it makes the cream also ascertain its own strength. Okay, so now this is it. We have about 2 spoons in here of your base cream. So a quick one, I just want to tell you these are the things I'll be using. We'll be using this. Look at it. Everybody know this BB Clear. BB Clear is a very nice face toner that you can use for your face. You can use to make face cream. You can use. I mean, a lot of people. Some people they use it alone, which I know is very good for the face. It clear the face. It remove every spot. You know, it's for all skin type. It's very good. If you've not seen it before, let me use this opportunity to show you, because a lot of people they want to see how it's really looks like. This is a face cream. So this is it. This is BB Clear. All right. This is BB Clear. All right. Though I've put them in a container, I'm just showing you. I've put them in a container already. I have them here. You can see this is all the tubes I will be talking about. I will be using. All right. So I've put all of them just to show you. Now that's why I'm doing it right now. All right. This will be using patak butter, which you all know. Patak butter is very good for face. It's very good. It's one of the and it's mild. It's one of the tube I will always advise you to use if you don't know this one. I use this. It's very good. It's very mild. And also after that, this is plain cap. We have the gel, and this is the cream. The cream is very good for face. If you're making a face cream, these are the things you should be considering. They have the tendency to tone your face gradually. All right. Then again, I will be using this one. This fair whitening beauty cream is also good for face. Also, they will just lighten your face accordingly. Very simple way that they can tone your face, brighten your face very well. So I will be showing you this one also, which we are using this one. This one just for face. Now, face I'm using because it's not strong like the other one, so we'll be using just small of it. All right. So in other words, I've already put all my tubes here. So these are all my tubes. So have this in mind that with this tube you can do a lot. You can do your own type of face cream. Are you getting it? You can do your own type of face cream. And there's one concentrate. This concentrate is a concentrate that I made myself. It's for a face cream. Are you getting it? Because sometimes our lotion should be stronger than the face cream, or the face cream should be stronger than the lotion. So in order to make the lotion not to lose its strength, you have to put some concentrate. And the concentrate, how do you do them? You don't just put those concentrate, you just see out there because you don't know what they're using there. So you make your own concentrate. So this is my own concentrate that I did. So this is my own concentrate that I will use also. So we'll be using This is what we call face oil. We have a lot of oil, like as I told you, we have different type of oil. This is a face oil that I made myself. Are you getting it? Yes, I do a lot of oils, but this one is for face only, face and only. Alright, so this is our, what is it called, strawberry perfume, and this is our, it's almost finished. This is our German Plus, we'll be using. Then I've already, like what I said, this is our glitter white injection, and I'll show you how it looks like. Okay, I've already, yes, those are the things I said I've already make inside. I've already put inside our base cream already, so I've already put inside our base cream. So we're about to start. I've already put this one also inside the base cream. So the three items I've put inside the base cream already. So this we're using this. This one is very good. This glyceptine, a lot of people don't understand how it works, and that's why I keep telling you. If you're using this glyceptine and you don't know how it works, don't use it. Are you getting it? This glyceptine is very good. It's very good. It clears dark spots from your face, and it removes wrinkles also. And a lot of people who have who due to pregnancy, they have some dot in their face and all that. It clears them also. So I've already put this inside my base also. So now a quick one. These are all the tubes which I said. These are all the tubes. So now we just put all the tubes, because I just take a little. We just want to make this not a sharp lotion, but we just want to. I want to show you all. We just want to take this in a small quantity. So let's put our tube. Alright, so we've put the tube. This is our concentrate. Let's put our concentrate inside. Alright, so this one also is our face make. So this is our face make. We're adding our face make also. Okay, so now we can put our face oil. Just a drop. Alright. So now let's put our preservative. Okay. Alright. We can now put, this is our perfume also. So now what you have to do, you have to stir, right? You just have to stir properly. You see what I'm doing? Just have to stir properly. Very nice aroma, so you can see, right? So it's just like a face make lotion. Face make face cream, right? So a lot of you can do it whichever way, just get the right additives. So we've come to the end of the how-to, the DIY, how you may call it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click on the notification button to enable you see new of our videos. We have, other than this, we have beautiful videos that you can use to educate yourself, and also we have good lotions. If you want us to customize for you, we customize for you. Alright, we might not really come here and put everything, but if you want us to customize any lotion, any type of lotion you want us to customize, or you want to buy all this, you want to buy organic ingredients or skincare items, we sell all of them too. Alright, and we ship everywhere: Europe, Canada, Asia country, US. We ship everywhere, Asia and all that, everywhere we ship to. So stay with us. Bye bye till I come your way next time.